What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to make $100 per day on YouTube without showing your face. It's possible, you can do it. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it right now. So let's go. Alright guys, so you're serious about making money, you want to make money with YouTube. Yeah, I just want to show you this really quick and I'll get right into the video. But this right here is my Homemade Entrepreneur course, okay? How to do affiliate marketing on YouTube, $1,000 in 45 days. Pretty much walk you through everything, how to make better videos, how to choose titles, choosing tags, make people watch your videos longer, ways to make more money, get free traffic. There's a bunch of stuff here. Go check it out, all right? Okay, you can check it out right here. Go get it, $67, but let's jump into the video. So, how can you make $100 per day without showing your face? Well, I want to show you an example. This is one, I love some of this guy's videos, okay? This one right here, it's called Tech Guru. He has 23,000 subscribers, and he just makes a bunch of cool videos. Well, this one I typed in top 5 Sonicare toothbrushes, okay? And there you can see there's a bunch of different ones. Look at this one, no face. Look at this one, no face. Is there a face here? No, not yet. Here, some hands. Here, nope. So if we come over here to this video right here, let me show you, and I'll play a little bit of it. I'm going to turn that off. But look at this. This is the beginning of his video. Watch it. Okay? And I'll even put a link down in the description box below to this video so you can come check it out. But look how simple it is. All he's doing is taking images, and I'm going to show you in just a second where you can go find these. But obviously Google is a great option. Now you can come and watch this entire video and look. Look at this. All he's doing is zooming in and out of images, and he leaves the name of the toothbrush, and he adds some information down here on the bottom. Look how simple that is. That is extremely simple. It's easy to do. If you use stuff like any type of video editing software, it's so easy to zoom in and out, pan side to side on images, move different directions. It makes it so easy. All you have to do is get the images, right? That's all you have to do. Now, in addition to this, okay, because yeah, he makes a video and he's gonna make some money from some YouTube ads, but look at this. He's also making money by promoting all these toothbrushes over on Amazon. All these links are Amazon affiliate links. So if I were to come to Amazon and buy any toothbrush, he probably makes about average 5% of whatever somebody buys. So let's say I decide I want this pink one right here, $100. Great, it's easy math. So if I make 5% of $100, that is $5. If this person decided to buy 2 toothbrushes, 2 of these pink ones, instead of $5, I would make $10. I'd make double. Okay, that's the great part about this. And what if they want new toothbrush heads? Okay, yeah, there's an extra $30, $40 right there. So you gotta understand, by doing videos, you can make money through YouTube ads, okay? And I'll show you kind of what this guy's making just a second. But you can also make money through affiliate links right here, okay? And there's other ways you can make money as well. Let me show you what this guy is making. Okay, this is a site, it's called socialblade.com. All you have to do in order to find what someone's making, or roughly what someone's making, get a decent idea, is you get if we come over to his actual channel, okay, right here, I'm gonna go ahead and pause this video. Here, I'll just get out of that. We're gonna get this link right here. This is his channel name. We're gonna take that and we're gonna come and paste it right here into the YouTube search. Okay, and that's how I was able to come up with this. Okay, so we come down here. You can see the estimated earnings between $6 and $100. So average between $6 and $97, per day. Okay, that's a huge, that's a big gap, right? So I can tell you right now, doing tech products, do reviews like this, he's probably making anywhere between, I'd say, $3 and $7 per 1,000 views. So if he's making anywhere between $3 and $7, let's just say $4 per 1,000 views. Daily averages, he's making getting 25,000 views. If we average $4 per 1,000, that means he's making right about $100. Okay, so not bad, right about $100. So that's pretty good. Okay, but now that you know, okay, what you can do, okay, what people are doing, this is all he's doing. You look at his videos, okay, that's all he's doing. Let's go see if he has a couple more. Top 5 floor jacks. See what he does here. Oh look, it's just a video of somebody using the jack. It's just pictures. More pictures. More pictures. And more pictures. Okay? Not bad, right? All he's doing is doing pictures, adding some text. That's all he's doing. It's a 5-minute long video. Okay? He has Best 5 Floor Jack 2019. That's all you have to do. Because now when people come here, they're going to start using, you know, these links. Because, oh, yeah, I really want this one right here. This Torin Big Red T8306. Or 83,006, whatever number it is. And they're going to click, okay, yeah, that's the one I want. Click, they go buy it. You know, I'm not sure how much it goes for. We can go and look, but that's all it is, right? So we come over here to Amazon after we just click the link. You see it right here, T-Guru 20. This one costs $80.99. I'm not sure exactly what the automotive niche pays, but I think it's a little more. I think it's like 6%. So still not bad, right? But how do we get those images? Well, we come over here to Google. Okay, you've probably seen this site before. It's a very popular site. But come over here to Google. They got a bunch of images. Now what we could do, okay, and so we don't break any rules, we click on Settings, okay, or Tools. We click on Usage Rights, and we click on Labeled for Reuse with Modification. This one right here. Okay, click on that, and all these images pop up that now give us access to reuse and modify any of the images. Okay, now we can do, let's say we want the Sonicare 3 series, so we could go like this, Sonicare 3 series, and then the more toothbrushes pop up. Okay, now that's labeled for reuse with modification. What if we don't want to modify, we just want to reuse? Okay, it gives us more options as well. You can also take pictures. A lot of the sites allow you to use their pictures. You know, so you just gotta look to see what the rules are for your specific situation and go from there. Alright guys, so before you run off and start making that money, I first just want to give you some tips. The first tip that I have for you guys when doing this exact strategy is make sure you are constantly doing more and more videos. I say this because just one video is not going to get you to $100 per day. If it does, let me know, because you were pretty lucky and you did something extremely right. Okay, so make sure you are always doing new videos. It can be on tech, it could be on travel, it could be on fitness, it can be on just about anything. But my second tip, in addition to making consistent videos, is to make lists. Like I just showed you, top 5 lists are great, top 10 lists are great. Just any top list is extremely profitable because people come there to see the entire list. They want to see what is number 1, what is number 2, what is number 3, and what are their options. So make lists because they're extremely profitable. Third tip is don't just monetize your videos with affiliate links, okay? It does work and it's very profitable. However, if you are into fitness, maybe you're gonna create a bunch of YouTube videos on top 10 resistance bands to add muscle, top 10 ab exercises, okay? And then maybe you promote, some, an ab roller, some resistance bands, some, little tummy, trainer, whatever it is. But in addition, maybe you sell a course, maybe you sell one of your services such as online coaching, coaching calls, stuff like that. And that is extremely profitable as well. So if you want to make $100 a day on YouTube without showing your face, you can, but you gotta put in the work. So if you're interested in this strategy, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Go and check out my course if you want to know how to make more money than just $100 a day. And also subscribe if you haven't already. Click that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos. I'll see you guys on the next one.